We interrupt this beautiful video for a brief announcement.
Several weeks ago, we had a giveaway where we created a logo with epoxy resin coated, and we gave it away to one of our viewers. And we sent that out to them, and then recently we received this in the mail, much to our surprise. I kind of feel bad because we didn't enter a contest, he did. So we want to thank Tracy from Hammer Down Woodworking. Hopefully you can see that. Check out his channel. He's got some great stuff over there, a lot of fun to watch. Now let's get back to our video. Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week's video, we ran out of shelving, so we're going to show you how we made pull-out shelving for our xTool M1.
If you've been following us for the last several weeks, we received a new toy, our xTool M1 laser, and we've been making a lot of different projects with it and just having a blast. The only problem is, for now, we've been placing the xTool M1 on our workbench, and we've been working around things, and there's just absolutely no space or very little space.
Why?
So we had to come up with a different solution.
Before we start anything, we need to get measurements. We begin by straightening the ends of the 2x4s. Mr. Portman cheated. He bought a pre-glued board, which was actually cheaper.
One coat of primer and 2 coats of white paint. And now we install the boards that will support the pullouts. We're going to use our favorite pullouts. However, one's not long enough to use on the big device, so I'm doubling it up and connecting 2 glides together so that it will be twice as long when it extends.
One shelf down and one to go.
All right, this whole thing was kind of simple, but it was a tremendous benefit for us. I think I'm going to put some sort of a plastic covering or something like that serves as a curtain so that we don't get a lot of sawdust and whatnot in here as well. But this alone has been incredible. We have another object that we are going to be adding to our M1 soon. It hasn't arrived yet, and as soon as we do, we will be showing you a video on that. So until we meet again,
bye-bye.